Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Max class, Nana. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, Nana. So stay home, Nana. Don't go outside. Okay. So in the previous class, we completed the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 8, 6 also. Okay. Did you learn the divisibility rules, Nana? Okay. Come on, tell me what is the divisibility by 2? As if a number having either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in this one's place, then that is divisible by 2. Okay. And divisibility by 3 means the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay. So if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. Okay. And divisibility by 5, as the numbers having 0 or 5 in the units place, then that number is divisible by 5. And divisibility by 10, yes, the numbers having only 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Okay. And divisibility by 4. So a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed were the last 2 digits, that means ones and tens places. The last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Okay, ma? And divisibility by 8 means a number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits, that means ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, Nana? And also zeros on the 3 places. So ones, tens, hundreds places, if the zeros are also there, then that number is divisible by 8. In the divisibility by 4 also, Nana, the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4, or either ones and tens places having 2 zeros, that means 0, 0. If the 2 zeros are there, that number is divisible by 4. Okay, ma? So these are the divisibility rules we have learnt in the previous class. Okay, today I am going to do the exercise 3.1, Nana, so that all of you open your max classwork and write exercise 3.1. So my dear children, have to watch the video and continue the classwork. Exercise 3.1. Come on, all of you open your max CW. Open your max CW and write exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Write down, Nana. First question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? So this is the first question, Nana. Exercise 3.1. Okay. Note down in your classwork, children. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? So first you take the first number. So here they are given 8 numbers, Nana. So first I will take the first number. Now solution. See ma, how I am checking. What is there in the units place, children? Yes. What is the divisibility by 2? Yes. The number having either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in its ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. So here the digit in the units place is 2. So the given number is divisible by 2. Okay, ma? Now we have to check by 3. Okay. Next, sum of the digits. Now you have to add digits. Okay. So in the solution, first you take down the number. Sum of the digits. What is the divisibility by 3? As the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. Yes, check it ma. Sum of the digit 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 2. 2 plus 3 5. So 5 plus 7 12, 13, 22, 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 3. Now we have to check divisible by 6. What is the divisible by 6? Divisibility by 6, yes. The given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Okay. Now, therefore, the number is divisible by 2 and 3. The number is divisible by 2 and 3. So, it is divisible by 6. Okay, this is the divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that is divisible by 6. So, like this we have to check it. So, what they are asking the question, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? So, let us take the first number, the digit in the units place is 2, so it is divisible by 2. And the second one, the sum of the digits of the given number is also divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. So, the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so it is also divisible by 6. Come on my dear children, note down in your classwork neatly, Nana. Okay. So, next problem. So, here 8 problems as given, Nana. I will explain 4 problems. You will do the remaining 4 problems in the homework book. Okay. Same like this. Next problem. So, my dear children, if you are not complete in time, just pause the video and complete the classwork, then come to the next problem. Okay. Next one. Second one, Seema, 193,272. Solution. First, given number. What is there in the units place? 2. So, the digit in the units place, write along with me children, the digit in the units place is 2. So, it is divisible by 2. Finish. Next, we will check it divisibility by 3. So, sum of the digits equal to, come on, add these numbers, Nana. 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2. Add 1 plus 9, 10. 13, 15, 22, 24. So, 24 divisible by 3. 24 is divisible by 3. So, the given number is divisible by 3. Okay. Now, so the number is divisible by, the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, hence it is divisible by 6. by 6. Finish. Okay, ma? So like this we have to write in the classwork. Write neatly in your classwork, children. Next. Now take fourth one. Fourth problem. So you do third problem as homework, Nana. Now fourth problem 1790184. So first note down the given number and check it. What's there in the units place? Yes, 4. So the digit in the units place is, the digit in the units place is 4. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. Add all these digits, Nana. 1 plus 7, 8, 17, 18, 26, 30. Okay. What is the sum of the digits, Nana? It's equal to 30. So 30 is divisible by 3. Isn't it? So the given number is divisible by 3. Okay. Therefore, the number is divisible by, both 2 and 3. Hence it is divisible by 6. Hence it is divisible by 6. Okay. So we checked whether it is divisible by 2 or whether it is divisible by 3 or whether it is divisible by 6. Okay, ma'am, by using the divisibility rules. Next, last one. So third problem, fifth problem, sixth problem, seventh problem you do as homework, Nana. Now eighth problem. Note down eighth problem. Note down eighth problem. Can I rub this one, children? Eighth problem. 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 2. So first you take down the given number and check it. What is there in the units place? Yes, 2. So the digit in the units place, same like that, Nana. How we done in the before problem, same like that. The digit in the units place is 2. So the given number is divisible by the given number is divisible by 2. Okay, now we have to check by divisibility by 3. So that you take sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits in the given number. Tell me, children. Yes, 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. Add these digits. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 5 23, 23 plus 2 25. Okay. So the sum of that is equal to 25. Come on, check it children. Is it divisible by 3? 25 is divisible by 3, Nana? No, it's not divisible by 3. So we'll write 25 is not divisible by 3. So in these cases, so the given number is not divisible by 3. Finish. Now, Seema, now we'll write, therefore, the given number is divisible by 2. Given number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. But not divisible by 3. Hence, it is not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. Okay. So what is the divisibility by 6? If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. But here the given number is divisible by 2 only, but it is not divisible by 3. Hence it is not divisible by 6. Let's note down in your classwork, ma. So note down in your classwork, children. So do the remaining problems in page number 31, first Roman. So do the remaining problems in your homework book. Okay. Now, second problem. Second problem. Write down, determine, write neatly children, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. $25, $125, $250, $1,250, $10,205, $70,985, $45,880. So check whether the numbers, that are divisible by 10 are divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, note down in your classwork neatly, children. The given numbers (25), 125, 250, 250, so determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. See children, here these numbers are divisible by 5. What is the divisibility by 5? As the number is divisible by 5 only if it has 0 or 5 in its units place. Yes, see, check it Nana here. 5 is there in the units place. 5, 0, 0, 5, 5, 0. As all the numbers are having 0 or 5 in the units place. So, these numbers are divisible by 5. Let's write down. The given numbers are divisible by given numbers are having 0 or 5 in its units place, 0 and 5 in its units place. So, these numbers are divisible by 5. Let's write down. The given numbers are having 0 and 5 in the units place. See, here 5 is there, here 0 is there. So, in its units place, Nana, in its units place. So, these numbers are divisible by 5. Note down. Now, we have to check it. Which of the numbers are divisible by 10? Come on, tell me what is the divisibility by 10? As the numbers are having 0 only in its units place, then that numbers are divisible by 10. So, which numbers are divisible by 10? Yes, this number having 0, 0, 0. Yes, in these numbers only 3, 250, 1250, 45,880. These 3 numbers only divisible by 10. So, note down in your classwork neatly, later we continue. Here the space is not enough for the remaining answer. Let's continue the classwork. The numbers 250, 1250, 45,880 are divisible by 5, are having 0 in its ones place, 0 in their ones place. So, these numbers are divisible by, so these are divisible by these numbers are divisible by 10. Okay, Nana? Only these numbers having 0 in its ones place. So, these numbers are divisible by 10. Can you get the clarity, Nana? So, the numbers with 0 or 5 in the units place, then those numbers are divisible by 5. The numbers having only 0 in the ones place are divisible by 10. Now, what they are asking the question? See, Nana? So if you check it, these numbers are also divisible by 5 and divisible by 2. So divisibility by 2 means it's having 0 in the ones place. So these numbers are divisible by both 2 and 5. Okay. So from this what we can say, the numbers which are divisible by 10 also divisible by both 2 and 5. Okay. Write down. So what they are asking the question? Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are divisible by 2 and 5. Yes, the numbers which are divisible by 10 also divisible by 2 and 5. Why? Because 0 in the units place. So these are divisible by 2. And 5 is 0 is there in the units place. So these numbers are also divisible by 5. Okay. So the numbers are divisible by above numbers. The above numbers are divisible by 2 and 5. Are also divisible by 2 and 5 because the numbers having 0 in their units place. Okay, Nana? So the above numbers are also divisible by 2 and 5 because the numbers having 0 in the ones place. Okay. Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Yes, the above numbers are also divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, Nana? This is the last question answer, Nana. Note down in your classwork. So last conclusion, from this we can say the numbers which are divisible by 10 also divisible by from this we can say the numbers which are divisible by 10 are also divisible by both 2 and 5. Okay, ma? Finish, Nana, this question answer. Note down in your classwork, Nana. Now third question. Can I rub this one? Try third question. Make three different 3-digit numbers using 2, 3, 4 where each digit can be used only once. Check which of these numbers, check which of these numbers is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. So this is the third question, Nana. So make 3 different 3-digit numbers using 2, 3, 4, where each digit can be used only once. Come on, tell me the 3-digit numbers using the given digits. The 3-digit numbers. Numbers are, tell me, Nana. Yes, 234, 432 and 423. Okay, these are the 3 different 3-digit numbers using those digits. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we have to check it. Which of these numbers is divisible by 9? Come on, tell me, Nana. What is the divisibility by 9? Yes, the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9. Then it is divisible by 9. Let's take down first one. 234. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 9. Okay. Next 432. Sum of the digits. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 9. So, I will write in 234 sum of the digits. In 432 sum of the digits. In 423 sum of the digits. Yes, 4 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 9. Yes. So, the sum of the digits of the given numbers is 9. So, all the numbers, that means these 3 numbers are divisible by 9. Okay, ma? So, conclusion what we write? The sum of the digits of the 3 numbers are divisible by 9. So, the sum of the digits, so I will write upside, Nana. You can't see the board. So, here write the sum of the digits of the given numbers are divisible by 9. So, these numbers are divisible by 9. Finish. Note down in your classwork. Next, fourth question. So, see children, so can I stop up to here? Okay, Nana, tomorrow we will continue the 4th, 5th, 6th questions, Nana. Okay? So, my dear children, I hope you understand that today's class exercise 3.1 up to 3 problems. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 problems we completed. So, write neatly in your classwork. Tomorrow we will continue that. Okay, ma? So, if you have any doubts, you make a call to me. I will explain, Nana. Bye, children. Take care of yourself.